Mark from Fleet News Group here, and I'm so excited because today I'm in advanced manufacturing Queensland, and behind me is the Hyundai fuel cell electric vehicle. It's a truck that is zero emissions. It's going to start to decarbonise the transport industry Australia. And I've got Eddie from the company here who's going to tell us a little bit about the project and how exciting it is for this local business in Queensland. Eddie, this is fantastic, a global brand. What does it mean for the business?
Well, it's a big tick approval for our company. Taking a job on like this, Hyundai is the world's third largest automaker, and it really just puts Queensland on the map and shows what's possible. You know, we've done a great job in the past with the Ford F-150 Lightning. Now we've got Hyundai giving us work, so we're open for business. We're a contract manufacturer and we're here to help other OEMs bring their product to Australia.
That's fantastic. From a fleet perspective, from our audience, from the transport community, that are really, they're driving Australia, they're moving goods around Australia. So it's fantastic to see the global support for a local business like this.
Yeah, it's a game changer for us, and we really appreciate it, and we look forward to more work.
Excellent. So we'll have lots of stories on the Fleet News Group web pages. We'll also have stories in our magazine, All Things Fleet. So you'll be able to check it out by visiting the website fleethvnews.com.au.